Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the latest US inflation data, uncovering the key insights and discussing its implications for the different stakeholders. Let's get started. The most recent inflation data in United States sheds light on the current states of the economy. Here are the key highlights you need to know. According to US Labor Department, the annual inflation rate for the United States for the 2023 is recorded 4% till the month end of 2023 May, with the rise of 4.9% from the previous period it is recorded. The next update of inflation is scheduled for the release. Keep eye on. The surge of inflation can be attributed to rising energy costs, supply chain disruption, and increased demand as the economy recovers from the pandemic. Additionally, the government expenses fiscal policy, including stimulus packages, has injected substantial liquidity into the economy, potentially contributing to the inflationary pressures. Sector-wise impact. Different sectors of the economy are affected by the inflation in various ways. Let's take a look. In the latest data, the sectors such as housing, transportation, and food witnessed notable increase in prices. Factors like higher raw material cost, increased labor expenses, and supply bottleneck have contributed to these price hikes. On the other hand, sectors like healthcare experience relatively smaller increases. Implications and consideration. Now let's discuss the implications and consideration arising from this inflationary environment. First, higher inflation can impact consumer spending and budgeting. Rising prices for essential goods and services can squeeze household budgets, potentially leading to the adjustment in the discretionary spending. Secondly, wages growth and income adjustments become crucial. With the inflation on the rise, employers may need to evaluate the adjust employee consumption compensations to keep up with the increasing cost of living. Individuals might consider diversifying their income streams or exploring the investment opportunities to maintain their purchasing power. Thirdly, inflation often promotes to central bank to adjust the monetary policy's interest rates. Higher inflation may lead to tightening the monetary policies, potentially including the interest rate hikes, in an effort to curb excessive price increases and maintain long-term price stability. Lastly, the business needs to monitor inflation trend to adjust their pricing strategies and manage costs. Rising input costs may require price increase for goods and services, which can impact consumer demand. Balancing profitability and customer satisfaction become crucial in such situations. Understanding the latest US inflation data is essential for navigating the changes economic landscape. By staying informed and making well-informed decisions, individuals and businesses and policymakers can mitigate the effect of inflation and maintain financial stability. That is for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date to our latest content. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Until next time, take care and stay informed. Thank you.